If you're looking for an unboxing video on the Epson XP 970, stay tuned because that's what we're going to be doing today. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer review video. Today I've got the Epson XP 970 that I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and reviewing. Now this is actually the Expression Photo XP 970. So this printer is primarily focused on printing photos. I will actually put that to the test with a separate video from this video, which is going to be the print quality test video, where I'm going to be printing various different photos, even some documents, and just putting this printer through the hoops, showing you the quality and the capacity on this printer. Aside from the print quality test video, I'm also going to be doing an ink installation video. Basically, in this video, I won't necessarily be going in and explaining how to install the ink. I'm just going to install the ink and move on with the rest of the video. But if you're in the group of people that needs help and has not set up these printer ink cartridges before on this specific model, there will be a separate video in the description below as well under videos. Then lastly, if you're actually having a problem with a printer, with this printer or a printer similar to this, I'm going to be shooting a repair video showing you basically how to fix this printer if it's not printing a certain color, not printing multiple or all the colors, it's coming out blank, or the printing is faded. Let's say in your photos, the prints are coming out faded and you would like for the color to come back stronger like it was before. I will be showing you how to use the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. Alright, along with those videos, there will be a link for this printer, the remanufactured versions of this printer ink, and whatever other products I end up talking about along the way, there will be a link for in the description below. Alright, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If this video ends up being helpful to you, please make sure to like, and if you have any questions at all about this printer, about the process that I went through in this video, please make sure to comment below. Without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so opening up the box, we are going to see you have your setup ink. You're going to have a power cable, a manual. You should also get a CD just in case you need that for your PC. When you first get the printer out of the packaging, you're going to notice that there's a lot of blue tape. You're going to want to remove all of this, all of the plastic. And this is everything that it comes with. Of course, the printer itself is right there. Remove all the plastic, remove all of the blue tape so that you can begin setting up the printer. Okay, so plugging in the printer, we're going to get started. Remember to check out the links in the description below for the different products I talk about in this video, and for the videos, the additional videos that I end up making on this printer. So once again, there will be a separate video for the ink installation. I'm going to fly through it in this video. You're not going to really get to see much, but if you did need some guidance, check the video section in the description below. It's going to be how to install the ink on the Epson XP 970. Okay, and once you install the ink cartridges, it is going to take a few minutes for it to load and get to the point where you can continue setting up. For the sake of this video, I'm going to adjust later. You can do the adjustment in the beginning, that would be a good idea. So here we are on the main screen. So clicking the Wi-Fi button, you are able to see the options for you to be able to connect wirelessly. Here you have a copy. And of course you've got a touch screen, so that's really helpful when you are actually using this device. Print photos. This is primarily even marketed as a photo printer. So that's going to be one advantage to using this printer is if you're really needing to print photos, that's going to be great for you. Settings, you've got all your standard settings. Nothing really changes there with this. Maintenance, this is pretty standard on Epson. This is similar to what I have on my Epson printer. And here you can check out how much ink you have at any given time. Be careful with this on any printer, because it may show that you have a good amount of ink, but you always manually check. I have found that that has caused a lot of issues along the way. Here you can turn off that beep. The beep, can annoy people when you're clicking buttons and it's beeping constantly. So you can adjust that as well. Now, if you wanted to make a birthday card or anniversary card, that's one really great feature on this printer, is that you have some templates on there already. Okay, and here we have the famous question mark button. This is for when your kids don't want to help you set something up, or you're trying to figure something out and no one is helping you. You can go there first, and then of course your secondary source, which is very reliable, is YouTube and Google. One really great feature about these newer printers is that you can connect directly to your wireless device, your smartphone, your tablet, and you can print directly from these devices. Here you have your manual and CD. Alright, so here you have your back paper tray. You can fit, a small amount of pages back here, but this is convenient along with your bottom paper tray that you do have on this printer. Okay, and your glass scanner, I like the top of this printer because it has a fold in it. So if you're trying to scan a page from a book, or as you can see here, we're going to use the manual as an example, it is going to bend so that it fully fits. If you've ever used this before with a regular a printer that has a regular top side where it doesn't fold like this, it can be a little bit awkward, and it can kind of not really fit in place. This is going to be one of your more affordable options when it comes to photo printers. Printers in general right now, the prices are surging, but this one is priced pretty fairly in my opinion. Okay, of course you have your back panel that you can use if you have a paper jam, so that's really convenient to be able to take that off the back, fix your problem, and continue printing. Overall, I would say this printer is pretty standard with the features. It does have some very modern features, but for a new printer, it's pretty standard. But I would say it is very geared towards photo printing, and it does have that capacity and the quality. You're going to want to check that out with the print quality test video. Here you have your SD card slot, and this is where you can print directly from an SD card, and then below that you have your USB. You can stick a thumb drive in there and print directly from your thumb drive. Alright, I hope you found this video to be helpful as a unboxing and review video. If you have any questions at all, again, please comment below. If this video was helpful, please make sure to like. And if you want more videos like this, maybe on a different printer, make sure to consider subscribing. That's really all I have for today. Check the links below, videos below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.